If you want to make a little bit of pocket money, go learn how to tint car windows. You will fight with curved glass, dirty door panels, and customers complaining over $150. But if you want to build a $1 million B2B empire, you need to stop looking at cars and start looking up. Look at the commercial buildings, the office parks, the retail stores, and the massive skyscrapers in your city. Every single one of those buildings has thousands of square feet of flat glass, and right now, that glass is costing the building owners a massive amount of money. Welcome to Passive Peak. Today, I'm going to show you how to start a commercial window tinting business. This is the ultimate high-ticket, low-overhead service business for 2026. I will show you the simple tools you need, the insane profit margins, and exactly how to pitch property managers to land $10,000 contracts. Let's dive in. Why do businesses pay thousands for window tinting? It's all about ROI, return on investment. Unprotected glass lets in solar heat that pushes AC bills through the roof and makes employees unproductive. When you sell commercial film, you are selling energy efficiency. You tell the owner, my film lowers HVAC costs by 30% and literally pays for itself in energy savings. When you pitch it as a financial investment, corporate clients will practically throw their money at you. The overhead in this business is virtually zero. You don't need heavy machinery or a warehouse. All you need is a professional squeegee, a sharp knife, and your rolls of film. You can fit your entire business in the trunk of a car. Unlike vehicles, commercial glass is completely flat. It is straightforward, highly repetitive, and once you get the rhythm down, it is oddly satisfying. The math of $8,000 a weekend. Let's break down the math. In commercial tinting, you charge by the square foot, anywhere from $7 to $12. A standard office floor with 1,000 square feet of glass at $8 a foot is an $8,000 contract. After material costs, you finish the job over one weekend and walk away with $6,500 in pure profit. This is why B2B is the holy grail. To get the clients, target the gatekeepers, property managers. These people manage dozens of buildings and can feed you endless contracts for years. Bring a heat box demo to show them the instant cooling behind your film. Visual, physical proof sells high-ticket services faster than any presentation ever could. Commercial window tinting is a quiet, highly profitable industry that no one is talking about. It requires precision, professionalism, and the willingness to go after big B2B clients. But if you execute it right, one contract can change your entire financial year. Are you ready to level up your business game? Let me know in the comments, would you rather tint 50 cars or one massive office building? If you found value in this blueprint, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to Passive Peak for more high-ticket business breakdowns. Stay focused, and I will see you in the next video.